Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create an array of objects using Java. It's pretty useful at times, and you should probably know how to do it. We'll begin by creating a new class. Let's go to File, New, Class. We will create a car class. Let's say that cars have the following attributes. We'll just pick two to keep it simple. A string of model and a string of color. We'll need a car constructor. We will pass in a string of model and a string of color. We will assign this.model equals the model we receive. This.color equals the color that we receive. We'll add one method. Void drive. All cars can drive. We'll output the following using a print line statement. You drive the plus this.color plus a space plus this.model. Okay, we are done with the car class. We'll construct a few car objects. Let's start with car1. Car1 equals a new car. We have to pass in a model and a color. Think of some cars that you like. I will pick a red Mustang for one car. Let's create car2. Car2 equals a new car. I will pick a Corvette. That is blue. One more car. Car3. Car3 equals a new car. A yellow Charger. Alright, we have our three car objects. We can create an array, but for an array you have to list the data type of what you're storing. We're going to be storing car objects. The data type of the array is going to be car objects, car. Then for an array we need a set of straight brackets. What is the name of this array going to be? Well, I think cars would be appropriate. Cars equals, if you're creating an empty array, you're going to use the new keyword, list the data type of car. Within the straight brackets, specify the size of this array. Let's say 3 elements max. Or we could go ahead and just assign these right away too, using a set of curly braces. Let's place car1, car2, and car3 within this array. We'll place these three car objects within this array of cars. Now you could use a for loop to iterate through this array. Here's how. We'll start with the standard for loop. We'll need an index, int I equals 0. We'll continue as long as I is less than our car's length property, then increment I by 1. We'll access our array of cars at index of I, which is going to increase each time, but it starts at 0. We will call the drive method. And let's see what happens. You drive the red Mustang, you drive the blue Corvette, you drive the yellow Charger. Now an enhanced for loop would probably be more appropriate for this. If you want to use an enhanced for loop, type for, parentheses, curly braces. What is the data type of each element within this array? Car objects. We'll need a nickname for each element within this array. Let's say car, colon, think of colon as in, then our array of cars. For every car object in our array of cars, do the following. We'll take each car object, call the drive method. And that's going to do the same thing. You drive the red Mustang, you drive the blue Corvette, you drive the yellow Charger. Another thing you can do too when creating an array of objects, you can pass in anonymous objects, rather than first instantiating the objects, then assigning them to the array. Here's how you can do that. For each element, we're going to call the car constructor with the new keyword, call the car constructor, then pass in the details for each car, the necessary arguments. We'll pass in our Mustang, that's red. That's the first element. I'll just copy it to save some time. Then we're creating a new car, but this will be a Corvette. That's blue. And I'll put each of these on a new line just for readability. And then we have our Charger. That's yellow. And this will do the same thing too. We have our three cars. Constructing a new object without giving the object a unique identifier, like car1, car2, or car3, these are known as anonymous objects. So within an array, you can create anonymous objects, if you would rather not give each of these cars a unique identifier. Another thing you could do too with an array of objects is let's change the color of each car using our enhanced for loop. Car.color, let's change the color to be black for each car. We'll use another enhanced for loop to display each car. Car.drive. You drive the black Mustang, you drive the black Corvette, you drive the black Charger. Alright everybody, those are a few things you can do with an array of objects in Java.